In a world full of digital banks, why does Star City Banking still stand out in 2026? The surprising truth about this platform is how it blends convenience with urban-focused financial tools. Star City Banking is built for people who live fast-paced lives in major cities. It offers digital-first checking and savings accounts with features designed around frequent transactions, rent payments, and daily spending. The onboarding process is fast, often taking less than 10 minutes. Once inside, users get real-time spending insights that break expenses into simple categories. Most people get this wrong by ignoring small daily purchases, but Star City makes those patterns impossible to miss. One feature users appreciate is smart bill tracking. Rent, utilities, subscriptions, and transportation costs are monitored automatically. If a bill spikes unexpectedly, you're alerted immediately. You won't believe how much money people save just by catching these changes early. Star City Banking also supports early direct deposit and instant transfers between users. For roommates splitting rent or friends sharing expenses, this removes friction completely. Security is another focus. Biometric login, instant card controls, and transaction alerts help users feel in control at all times. The downside is that Star City is not ideal for long-term investing or advanced wealth tools. Interest rates are solid, but not exceptional, and lending options are limited. In conclusion, Star City Banking in 2026 is still worth it for urban professionals and everyday spenders who want speed, clarity, and control. If modern banking matters to you, subscribe for more reviews like this.